ASVAB Assembling Objects Practice Test 2026, 40 questions with explained answers. Question 1. A pattern shows a circle with a slice removed. Which shape fits into the gap? A square, a triangle, a wedge, a star. The gap in a circle would be a wedge shape. Question 2. 4 separate lines are shown. When joined end to end at right angles, what shape do they form? A circle, a triangle, a rectangle, a pentagon. Joining 4 lines at right angles creates a rectangle or square. Question 3. If you fold a piece of paper in half and cut a V on the fold, what shape appears when unfolded? A square, a circle, a diamond, a star. A V cut on a fold unfolds into a diamond shape. Question 4. Which figure shows the correct assembly of a cube's net? 6 squares in a cross, 4 triangles, a large circle, a pentagon. A cube net typically consists of 6 squares arranged in a cross or similar pattern. Question 5. A jigsaw piece has a protruding tab. Which piece does it connect to? One with a matching tab, one with a matching slot, a flat edge, a corner. Tabs fit into slots/blanks. Question 6. 2 triangles are placed base to base. What shape is formed? A square, a rhombus, a circle, a hexagon. 2 triangles sharing a base form a quadrilateral, often a rhombus or kite. Question 7. If a gear with 10 teeth turns once, how many times does a gear with 5 teeth turn? Once, twice, half a turn, 10 times. The smaller gear turns more often. Ratio $10 to $5 is $2 to $1. Question 8. How many edges does a standard brick have? 4, 8, 12, 16. A rectangular prism has 12 edges. Question 9. If you look at a cylinder from the top, what shape do you see? A square, a rectangle, a circle, a triangle. The cross-section of a cylinder from the top is a circle. Question 10. Which shape would result from cutting a cone parallel to its base? A triangle, a circle, a square, a point. A parallel cut through a cone yields a circle. Question 11. How many faces does a triangular pyramid have? 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 1 base and 3 sides, total 4 faces. Question 12. If 2 semicircles are joined on their flat sides, they form an oval, a circle, a crescent, a sphere. 2 halves make a whole circle. Question 13. Which tool is used to check if a surface is perfectly horizontal? Ruler, compass, level, protractor. A level uses a bubble to show horizontal or vertical alignment. Question 14. A pattern shows 4 squares. If they are stacked vertically, what is the resulting shape? A larger square, a column, a cube, a pyramid. Stacked squares form a column or rectangular prism. Question 15. If you rotate a square 45 degrees, what shape does it resemble? A diamond, a triangle, a circle, a rectangle. A tilted square is often called a diamond. Question 16. Which path is the shortest distance between 2 points? A curve, a straight line, a zigzag, a loop. The shortest distance between 2 points in Euclidean space is a straight line. Question 17. When 3 identical cubes are placed in a row, how many total faces are visible on the outside? 14, 18, 12, 16. Each cube has 6 faces. 2 faces are hidden between them. 18 to $4 equals $14. Question 18. What shape is the side view of a cone? Circle, rectangle, triangle, square. A cone appears as a triangle from the side. Question 19. If a shape has 8 sides, it is called an octagon, hexagon, decagon, heptagon. An 8-sided polygon is an octagon. Question 20. If you combine 2 L-shaped blocks, which of these cannot be formed? A square, a rectangle, a circle, a T-shape. Blocks with straight edges cannot form a circle.